Hello, good afternoon, grade 5.
Good afternoon, teacher Mary.
Okay, do you have your lunch already?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so now let's start with our lesson in math. Oh, before that, let's sing a song. If you love mathematics, clap your hands. If you love mathematics, clap your hands. If you love mathematics,
Mathematics. If you love mathematics, if you love mathematics, clap your hand.
if you love mathematics, stomp your feet.
Your hand.
If you love mathematics, stomp your feet. If you love mathematics,
If
if you
you
love
love mathematics, if you love
mathematics,
mathematics, stomp your feet.
if you love
If you love
mathematics, shout hooray.
mathematics,
Hooray!
hooray!
Love mathematics, shout
Mathematics.
hooray. Hooray!
Hooray!
If
If you love mathematics, if you love
mathematics, shout
mathematics,
hooray.
hooray!
If you love mathematics, go all
Mathematics,
three.
all three.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Mathematics, go all three. Hooray!
Hooray!
If you love mathematics, if
Mathematics,
you
if
love
you love
mathematics,
mathematics, if you love mathematics, all three.
hooray!
Hooray!
I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Ready. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
I'm alive, alert, awake,
Away, enthusiastic.
I'm alive,
I'm
alert,
alive,
awake,
awake,
alert.
alive. I'm alive, awake, enthusiastic.
Faster.
Super.
Alert, awake,
I'm
enthusiastic.
enthusiastic.
I'm
I'm
alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic.
awake, enthusiastic.
I'm
I'm
alive, alert, awake.
awake,
Enthusiastic.
faster.
Very fast. Fast. Ready. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic.
I'm enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, enthusiastic.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For our song. Okay, are you ready for our math lesson?
Yes.
Sure. Okay, so last Wednesday, our lesson is about quadrilateral. Say Mai? Okay, can you read quadrilaterals? Everybody read quadrilaterals. Spell quadrilateral. Q U A D R I L A T E R A L S. Everybody say, put them quadrilaterals.
Quadrilateral.
Okay, when you say quadrilaterals, it is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. It is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. Angles pewa alay. Do you know what is angle?
Mum.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 angles. Okay, when you say quadrilateral, it is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. Now, types of quadrilateral. Everybody, let us read the types of quadrilateral. First is square. Everybody read.
Square.
Square. Next,
Par-
parallelogram.
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 Okay. Next is rectangle.
Rectangle.
And then,
Trapezoid.
and then,
Rhombus.
okay, rhombus. Now, we don't have here a kite. Shemai, we have kite.
Yes.
It's not in here. Okay, square. So this shape is the square. Okay. Parallelogram is this shape. It's like rectangle but slanting rectangle. See me? It's parallelogram, this yellow shape. And this one is the rectangle. And then this one is the trapezoid. And then rhombus. Rhombus is like a diamond, right? It's like a diamond. Diamond. Square. How are they different? Okay, look at the square. Square, four congruent sides, four congruent angles. Meaning, four sides are the same. Four angles are the same. Okay, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this are the same. This length, this side also, this side, and this side are the same. Square. Parallelogram. Parallelogram, two pairs of parallel side. Okay, this one is parallel, and this one also is parallel. Opposite sides are congruent. Okay, the opposite of this is this one. So they are congruent. Also, this side and the opposite side are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent too. So angle in here. Opposite of this angle is here. Opposite of this angle is here. Okay. How about the rectangle? Okay, rectangle, a parallelogram with four right angles. Okay, four right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four right angles. And the opposite sides are congruent. Trapezoid. Look at the trapezoid. It's like a glass. See my? It's like a glass. So only one pair of parallel sides. So which side here is parallel? This one and this one. Parallel. But this side and this side are not parallel. Only one pair. Okay, the trapezoid is usually the funkiest looking quadrilateral. Rhombus, a parallelogram with four congruent equal sides. Okay, it looks the same. It's almost look the same with square, but it's slant. It's like a diamond. Rhombus is like a diamond, right? Diamond. Okay. Yesterday, not yesterday, last Wednesday. Okay. Look at this. There's a lot of shape. Can you recognize already? Which is trapezoid, which is rhombus, which is square. Can you recognize? Okay, let's try. Now the yellow shape. What do you call for this? Kids, this yellow shape, what do you call for this quadrilateral? Do you know what is this? This yellow shape quadrilateral? It's parallelogram. Chimay? It's like a rectangle but slanting rectangle. How about this blue color shape? What do you call for this?
I don't know.
Hello?
I don't know.
Trapezoid. Chimay?
Trapezoid.
One.
Okay.
Oh, masyal. It's irregular quadrilateral. This one is the trapezoid. Ani, orange.
Trapezoid. Ulit. Trapezoid.
One pair of parallel.
Parallel.
This one, green color. What do you call for this?
Diamond.
Diamond or rhombus?
Um,
How about this?
try.
Rectangle.
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 It's a rectangle. How about this?
Parallel. No.
No, it's a regular quadrilateral. Okay, let's learn about different types of quadrilaterals. What is that? Kauhom boy. What is that?
No. We don't
Okay,
say
so
here.
here's seven types
Parallelogram.
of quadrilateral. Okay. First one,
Parallelogram.
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 Okay, next, isosceles
Isosceles
Trapezoid.
trapezoid.
Okay. Next,
Rectangle.
square,
Square.
trapezoid,
Trapezoid.
rhombus,
Rhombus.
and
Oh,
kite. Kite. Okay, please write down on your notebook. Please write it down on your notebook in math. 7 types of quadrilaterals. I'll give you, how many minutes do you want to write it down on your notebook? 3? Can you do it for 3 minutes? Draw also. Draw the shape. 3 minutes, okay, Mai?
Teacher draw.
Chai, please draw so that you can identify which is parallelogram, which is isosceles trapezoid, rectangle, square, trapezoid, rhombus, and kite. At exactly 1:22, you must finish already. 1:22. 22. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. One minute more. 1 minute left. Done?
Not yet.
Not yet. Still have 1 minute. What shape are you now?
Kite.
Okay.
Yes.
Trapezoid. We call it quadrilaterals because it has 4 sides. Say my quad means 4. Quad means 4. Four sides and 4 angles. Time already. Let's move on. Are you done?
Not
Not yet. What shape are you now?
rhombus.
Okay, rhombus. Done.
Finish.
Done?
Done.
Finish.
Are
I'm
you
done.
done? How
Yes.
about the other student?
Non-finish,
Her-
teacher.
Not yet. Okay. What shape are you now, Tingnan?
Kite.
Okay, kite. Susu.
Only draw, right? Draw and write.
Yeah, right and draw.
Dot non don't color.
Col- No,
Okay.
you can color later if we are finished. Up to you. It's up to you if you want to color. The important here is the shape. Okay, Mai?
The shape and the name.
Done!
Yes.
Yes. Yes? Are you done? Tingnan? Done?
I'm done. Done, teacher.
Okay,
Not
good.
finished, teacher. Not yet.
Not yet, Law. First?
Yes. Yes. พูดอยู่ข้อเท่าไหร่นั้น เกือบข้อสุดท้ายแล้ว
Kite?
Yes.
Done.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So this is the hierarchy of quadrilateral. Okay, the hierarchy of quadrilaterals. Everybody say or everybody read hierarchy.
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy. Or some people read this one as hierarchy, but it's easier to read hierarchy.
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy of quadrilateral. Okay, here kite, parallelogram, and trapezoid. Okay, under kite you can see rhombus. Next to rhombus, square. Okay, in parallelogram, under parallelogram, you can see rhombus and rectangle. Under rectangle, you can see the square. And then on trapezoid, you can see isosceles trapezoid. Okay, that's the hierarchy of quadrilateral. Everybody read isosceles. Isos
Isosceles. Isosceles.
trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. So this is the parallelogram. Under the parallelogram, square, rectangle, and rhombus. Chimay? Let's go back to the hierarchy. Parallelogram, this one, the yellow color. Under parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square. Chimay? We can call the rectangle as parallelogram. We can also call rhombus as parallelogram and also the square. Okay. Rhombus, rectangle. We can also call the square as rectangle. Okay? But we cannot call the square rectangle. We can call square rectangle. It's confusing, Jemai? Okay, square. This is the square. Kite. Do you know that there is inverted kite? We called it delta. Do na? Look at this. Inverted kite. We called it delta. It is also a quadrilateral because it has four sides. Chimay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's quadrilateral, right? Okay. Trapezoid or trapezium are the same. Okay. Trapezoid or trapezium are the same. So this is the regular trapezoid. And this is the isosceles trapezoid. Why we called it isosceles? Look at this side and this side. They are the same. Same, and one pair of parallel. One pair of parallel. Okay, let us write. Let's say this is A, B, C, and D. Okay, line segment AB is parallel to line segment DC. Do you know what is parallel? Parallel แปลว่าอะไร
ขนาน
Okay. Parallel line segment AB is parallel to line segment DC. But parallel line segment AD is not parallel to line segment BC.ใช่ไหม not parallel.
Yes.
Okay. So here is irregular quadrilateral. Do you think there is a parallel line on this shape? Do you have this shape has parallel? Me or my me? What do you think? Irregular quadrilateral. Do you think there is a parallel on this shape?
my
Me mo?
my
Me. Say my? My me. No
my
parallel.
Yes.
Have parallel. If you draw line, they will intersect. See my?
Yes.
Intersect. Okay, so irregular quadrilateral has no parallel line. Okay, so this is, look at this one. If you can see line like this, we called it intersecting. Okay, and if you can see line segment like this, we called it parallel. And also, if you can see line like this, we call it perpendicular. Okay? Perpendicular creates 90 degree. Okay? Perpendicular line creates 90 degree. Okay. So here, intersecting, perpendicular, and parallel. Okay? So let's read intersecting.
They have one common point.
They have one common point. On perpendicular, they
They
intersect
they intersect each other
each
at
other.
right angles.
This is the right angle. When you say right angle, it is 90
90 degree.
degree. Right angle. How about parallel? They do
They
not
do not intersect when
when
produced
produce
indif-
indefinitely
indefinitely
in
in
either direction.
either direction.
Okay, so when you say parallel line, they do not intersect. See my? Just go straight, infinite. See my? Infinity. Okay, so we're going to learn now diagonals. Okay, let's make diagonals on this shape. This is a rectangle. Okay, so if we're going to write diagonals, this angle and this angle, that's how to draw diagonal. Okay, this is the diagonal line. This is the line. And also like this one. So, now observe the intersecting line. I will let you choose perpendicular, intersecting, parallel. Ani, this line, diagonals. Is it intersecting, perpendicular, or parallel?
Intersecting.
Very good. It is intersecting. They have one common point. May shy perpendicular because it is not 90 degrees. Am I? Not 90 degree. Okay, so it is intersecting line. Okay, intersecting line. Okay, next, square. Okay, square. Are we going to draw diagonal line on square? So just easily find the angle. You can find the angle in here, in the opposite side, angle in here. Then you're going to draw a line. And also on the opposite side. Okay. What kind of line is this? Intersecting line, parallel line, or perpendicular line? What do you
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular, are you sure?
Oh, no.
Let's see.
Intersecting.
Okay, it's
Lupa.
enter chai.
Intersecting.
It's intersecting. Am But
Yes,
this
yes.
is not equal. Ani, not the
Not
same with
magic.
this. Am not this? This one is bigger. Ani,
Yes.
bigger compared to this. Okay, so not perpendicular. It is intersecting line. Intersecting. Intersecting line. Okay. So next to square is trapezium or trapezoid. Trapezoid. Let's find the angle. This angle, this angle, and this angle. Okay, let's write A, B, C. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Which angle is the opposite of A? Which angle is the opposite of A?
C.
Okay, the opposite of letter A is letter C.
C.
So we're going to draw a line. Okay. How about angle B? What is the opposite of angle B?
B.
It's echoing. My phone is echoing. Wait. So the opposite of angle B is angle D.
D.
So you're going to draw a line. Now, the question is it intersecting? Is it perpendicular line or parallel line?
Perpendicular.
Intersecting.
Who says perpendicular? Let's see.
Oh,
Let's tilt our head. Uh, I think it's not perpendicular. They're not
intersecting.
It's also intersecting. Let's write just I. Intersecting. I. Not perpendicular. Okay, next. Rhombus. Angle A,
A, B, C, D.
C, angle C, angle D. Okay. The opposite of angle A is
Uncle C.
angle C. What is the opposite of angle D?
D.
Angle
D.
B.
B.
Okay. So, we're going to make diagonal line. Looks like this. Opposite line. Now, the question. Tilt your head. Is it perpendicular, intersecting line, or parallel line?
perpendicular.
Now we have perpendicular line.
Yay!
Okay, they create perpendicular. They created 90
90
degree
degrees.
angle, inner angle, 90 degrees, perpendicular. That's right, P for perpendicular. Okay, so all of the angles are perpendicular. Chimay? All of the angles are perpendicular or 90 degree right angle. Next, parallelogram or diamond. Okay. A, B, C, D. What is the opposite angle of letter A?
C.
C. Obviously, it's letter C. The opposite angle of letter D. Letter
B.
B. Okay. We're going to write diagonal line. It makes like this. Now, the question is, what line do we have in here? Intersecting line, perpendicular line,
Perpendicular.
parallel line. May na?
Perpendicular.
Hi, very good. It's perpendicular. It creates right angle, 90 degrees. Okay. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. Next, kite. Look at the kite. A, B, C, D. Okay, so line is here already. Now the question, perpendicular, intersecting, or perpendicular, intersecting, or parallel line? What shape or
Perpendicular.
it's perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Chai. Okay, perpendicular.
Now have mini
Okay.
perpendicular.
No parallel. Say may?
Yes.
When you say parallel
And
line, when you say parallel line, you can have line DA is parallel to line CB. Say may? This
yes.
line. Oh. This line. Line AD and line BC. They are the parallel lines. Okay. Easy, right? It's easy to make to draw diagonals on quadrilaterals. Okay. What time is it? Let's ask teacher. Teacher Yin.
สวัสดีค่ะนักเรียนได้ยินครูไหมเอ่ย
สวัสดีค่ะ
โอเค
ได้ยินค่ะวันนี้มีงานเลยแต่เมื่อ